Hi there, my name is Daniel Brown, and welcome to the SketchUp course. I will be your guide as we work together to learn one of the most popular 3D modeling programs on the market. This course in SketchUp has been designed for beginners and will set you up for success in being an expert and efficient 3D modeler in any design profession. The premise of this course is simple. To learn a 3D modeling program, you should be invested in the project. And this is why we'll be modeling my house, and I encourage you to follow along with the working files or use your own residence to go through the exercises. I will show you how to take sketches, photographs, and dimensions of a home and build it from the ground up using techniques and specific workflows that will give you a good foundation for SketchUp. Each section is set up to give you step-by-step instruction to create many of the common elements within a house. This includes creating walls and windows, creating components like the staircase, learning how to model certain detail like the fireplace, developing the kitchen, and adding specific content from sources like the 3D warehouse. We'll finish up the course by creating scenes, styles, as well as section cuts and an animation. We'll also go through the workflow for creating a composite rendering in Photoshop, as well as creating a photorealistic rendering. Lastly, we'll put this all together in a presentation using Layout, SketchUp's paper space tool. We have a lot to cover in this SketchUp course, and I'm excited for you to join me in this journey. Let's get started and have some fun in SketchUp.